Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to come back to our channel. Now guys, today I'll be doing a comparison video for you guys. We'll be comparing a drugstore product and a low-end product. Drugstore and low-end, really, Sherica? A drugstore product and a high-end product. Alright, so it's a M.A.C eyebrow crayon in spike versus the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. On my eyebrows today, I have on the M.A.C on this side and the Shady Slim Brow Pencil on this side. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference, but I can tell a difference. Let's get into the demo so that you guys can see how they perform, and I'll come back to you guys with my final thoughts. Stay tuned, guys.
Me feel, but that do not hear no dance right now. Me not know.
Alright, so for the pros, the LA Girl, it's only about $4 to $5, I believe, and it comes with a spoolie. Alright, you get 0.08 grams of product, and I think the color is really nice. The pencil itself is very thin. As you guys can see, it's very thin, and you can wind it up and down. Now, the reason why these things are a con is because the M.A.C is a bit lacking. First of all, the M.A.C doesn't have the spoolie at the end. It doesn't have a spoolie. Secondly, the cost is $18. And thirdly, when you wind up the pencil, you can't wind it back down. Alright, so those are the major differences I saw with both pencils. Alright, but when it comes to how the brows look, I think you get the same result. Either one, the colors are beautiful. They're not cakey or anything like that. They just leave your brows filled in, and some of your brow hairs get to peek through. Sometimes you use some brow pencils and it's so waxy, it just pastes down your brow hairs and it looks unnatural. So that's the comparison, you guys. I don't have anything much more to say about these pencils. You get 0.01 grams more in the spike pencil, but then again, you can buy 3 of these with the cost of the spike. So you choose whether or not you want to go high-end or drugstore. They're both great pencils. You get the same results. It's just that one is cheaper, and the cheaper one you get more for your money. That's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to put all the information about these two brow pencils in the description box. Anything that I forgot to tell you guys, it will also be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.
Now worry about none of them. Now worry about none of them. Why worry when God a work? If 1 minute, but everything I work, still I work.